this video I will teach you declaration of variable and initialization of variable and some most commonly used operation on these variables. As variables and data type, we have uploaded videos, and this is a complete playlist. If you are new, subscribe it and check that videos. So let's start it. As in a previous video I told you that we can declare a variable with where, and we will just declare it with just giving a name to a variable, like we have assigned a to a variable. So it means declaration of variable. Are we declare a variable and are we give name to our variable? Later on we just put assignment operator. We need to assign value to our variable, and this is initialization, which is initial value of our variable. We will just assign it 5, and later on we will declare one more variable with the name b, and we will assign it a value of 6, right? So this is 2 times we declare a variable with name a and with name b. So this is a, and this is given name to variable, and this is assigned value to a variable. As initialization of variable mean giving value to it, like we have assigned it a value of a value of 5. So this is a value, and one more we will declare one more variable, and this time we will assign a string value to it. A string value is we have to assign just first declare it, and now we will assign a value to it. We will say that MB and creative programmer. So we have assigned a string value to it, mean under quotation we use a sentence or we use more character or alphabet, so that is considered a string. Whatever is, if we just write m and that is in middle of 2 quotation, so that would be considered string in any programming language. So this is a, we declare 5 to it and we declare 6 to it, but this is initial values of this. Now we will change the value, and we will just do some most commonly used operation on this, and we will also just write a, and we will define with equals to a plus 10, right? So this is same. Here is store 5 is store, and here we have store already. We have store 5 in it, and in this we will store 10 is we have assigned it a 10 more value. Mean 10 is been assigned. It will be considered as 15 if we print the output. Now we will define b, and with b equals to b with will plus it, also will plus with it 10. So after this addition it will give us 16, because here we have given value to it 6 and here we have given value to it 5. And now we will just do one thing more. Will equals to c plus, and we will just write some string value, and this string value will be stored in this. So MB creative programmer string. So this is known as string concatenation. If we apply this thing here, so it will add, it will do some addition for us, will give some value, and if we do the same thing here, so it will be considered a string concatenation. So that is how we will, now we will try to to console us something that we give result to us. So in a previous video I told you that we will just write console and log. After console and log we will put only c, put semicolon. Semicolon is not important here. Also in the above all the code, it is not as important, but we are using it. Is a good practice because we know that this is end of each line, and this is end of this line, and this is end of this string. So now we will write, click on run and debug. Now come here, it will give us result, but here is no space. We'll put some space here. This is not a matter if there is space or not, but we'll just do this, and sorry for this. Now this is fine. It will give us space, but here also we will put some, it will be considered string. Now this will give us some space between these sentences. Now you can see MB Creativeprogrammer, and this is string. So this is all about how we can declare a variable, initialize a value to it, and some operation in it. Now if we want to rewrite console and log, and we put just a in this, it will give us what? If we just console it, it will give us 10, and 5, it will give us 15, and now their output would be 15. You can clearly see that here comes 15. If we apply some more operation in this, if we write here addition, subtraction, whatever you are doing, we can do there. If we just multiply it and again run it, what will be the result? Let's see. And this is 50, because 5 times 10 equals to 50, so it is given us a value of 50, and you can apply more operation in this as well. If you want to write something like, you can concatenate string with integer value, like we will here put a plus sign, and this will be considered. Now we'll do one thing, one more. We'll write here, sorry, we'll write here equals to, and we'll put plus, and we'll write this is our result. And if we just console and debug without, this is our result. And the same here is no space, but a space, I told you how you can put space. You will put one more plus, and it will be considered a string concatenation. And now if you console and output, it will give us result completely. So this is all about, guys, how you can declare a variable, how you assign initial value, and how you can apply some most commonly used operation on these variable. So that was all about guys variable, and there are some key operation. Thank you for watching.